We begin in first position. 2 battements tendus to the side. Now we press demi-point, full point, demi-point, close in first. Repeat. And once again, this time press to full point with a demi-plié. We repeat everything with the other leg. 2 battements tendus to the side. Now we press demi-point, full point, demi-point, close in first. Repeat. And once again, this time press to full point with a demi-plié. Change legs and repeat from the beginning. Move to second position. We will do only presses. 4 times to demi-point and full point, lowering the heel to the floor each time. Now switch to the other leg. Return to first position. We will work on relevé without plié, rising through demi-point and pulling up to full point without bending the knees. Imagine the legs are like 2 long columns, lifting you up in one piece. Let's begin! Engage the inner thighs and lower glutes to maintain turnout. Repeat 8 times. Do not tighten the shoulders. Keep the upper body effortless. Now rise to full point and try to release the hands into first position. Hold your balance. Imagine the crown of the head reaching upward. Next exercise, move to second position. Take a demi-plié, then immediately lift both feet to high point, straighten the knees, and stay on point in second position. While standing tall on point, do demi-pliés. Use your breath. Inhale on lowering, exhale on rising. Let's begin. Start with demi-plié, point, and 8 demi-pliés on point. In demi-plié, make sure the knees open directly over the toes. Do not let them roll forward. Push evenly with both legs at the same time, so you rise without shifting side to side. As you straighten the knees, think of zipping up the inner thighs, keeping turnout active. Once on point, the pelvis should stay neutral. Avoid tucking or arching. Next exercise, 5th position. Front leg presses onto point, lowers back to 5th. Do 4 relevés in 5th position. Cross the 5th position deeply. Avoid leaving space between the legs. No gaps. Change the front leg to the back through sur le coup de pied and repeat on the other side. Press to point and 4 relevés in 5th. Change legs again and repeat everything from the beginning. Maintain turnout from the tops of the legs, especially the front hip. Cross the 5th position deeply. Avoid leaving space between the legs. No gaps. Next exercise. From 5th position, battement tendu to the front, close in 5th, demi-plié, open the leg forward, rise to 5th on point. We will do this en croix. Side, back, side. Let's begin. Battement tendu to the front, demi-plié, open the leg forward, rise to 5th on point. Battement tendu to the side, switch legs, and start everything again with the other side. Next exercise, Échappé. Échappé from 5th to 2nd on point. We do 2 échappés and on the 3rd one we take a plié on point and close to 5th. Repeat. Again, 2 échappés and on the 3rd, plié in 2nd with the heels on the floor. Repeat. Knees open directly over toes. Don't let the pelvis tip forward. Now we change the pattern. 2 regular échappés, then 2 with plié on point. Knees open directly over toes. Don't let the pelvis tip forward. Repeat. Engage the inner thighs and lower glutes to maintain turnout. Two regular échappés and 2 pliés in second with the heels on the floor. Repeat. Next exercise. From 5th position we spring to one leg. The working foot is in sur le coup de pied at the ankle. Twice, and on the 3rd time, slowly lift to passé at the knee and lower to 5th front. Check the ankle position. Heel slightly forward. Let's begin. 2 to the ankle. The 3rd one slowly to the knee and close to 5th front. Again, push from both legs. Hips stay square. Avoid hiking the working hip. And close to 5th back. Repeat everything on the other leg. When rising to passé, draw the leg up the supporting leg, not around it. Repeat once more. And on the 3rd time, go to the knee with a quick spring to passé. And close to 5th back. Then 2 times to the other leg. Push from both legs. Hips stay square. Avoid hiking the working hip. Next exercise, pas de bourrée. Start in plié with the back foot at the ankle. Rise to point, front foot to the ankle, step side to the other leg, switch, and lower into plié, and do 1 relevé on point. Repeat 3 times, pas de bourrée. Keep the steps small, fast, and underneath you. Finish in 5th, and do 1 relevé on point. 3 times. Step onto point with a direct, clean placement, not a wobble. The upper body stays tall. Finish in 5th, and 1 relevé. Repeat again. Now we make it harder. 3. Pas de bourrée. Instead of a relevé in 5th, do a relevé on one leg. 3. Pas de bourrée. Then 2 single leg relevés. Next exercise, échappé to second position and turn to fourth, back to second, then to fourth on the other side. Close to fifth. Repeat, starting to the other direction. Rise to point, turn, release one arm to the side of the bar, turn to fourth the other way, return to second, and close to fifth. Check your heels. Keep them turned forward, especially in fourth. Rotate the front foot. Keep the shoulders calm and exactly over the hips. No leaning to achieve the turn. We stretch the calves before the next exercise. Keep the heel firmly grounded throughout the stretch, even if the knee bends slightly. Align the toes straight forward. Avoid turning out the foot at the ankle. Final challenge. 4 relevés with demi-plié in first position. 8 relevés on straight legs, no plié. And 8 presses, demi-point, full point. Imagine the crown of the head reaching upward. Calf stretch. Allow the muscle to release gradually. You may repeat the whole relevé sequence once more. 4 relevés with demi-plié in first position. 8 relevés on straight legs, no plié. And 8 presses, demi-point, full point. Amazing work! You pushed through every exercise. I'm truly proud of your progress. Remember, in ballet, regular practice and discipline make all the difference. If you like this class, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Keep dancing!